In the serene community of Greenacres, Washington, when electrical issues arise, our team of dedicated electricians stands ready to provide reliable solutions. At Greenacres Electricians, we understand the importance of maintaining a safe and functional electrical system for your home or business. Electrical problems can disrupt your daily life and compromise the safety of your property. That's why our skilled electricians are available 24/7 to address any issue, ensuring that you're never left in the dark. Whether it's a sudden power outage, faulty wiring, or the need for new installations, we have the expertise and resources to handle your electrical needs efficiently and effectively. At Greenacres Electricians, customer satisfaction is paramount. We strive to exceed your expectations with every service call, delivering top-quality workmanship and attention to detail. From troubleshooting and repairs to upgrades and installations, we're committed to ensuring that your electrical systems operate safely and reliably. When you're in need of trusted electrical repair and installation services in Greenacres, Washington, don't hesitate to contact us. Call below number and let our team of skilled electricians provide you with the peace of mind you deserve, knowing that your electrical needs are in capable hands.